Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel, and in today's video, as you might tell, I have a bit of a sore throat, but I just wanted to make this video to show you guys where we're at now with the S80 since the breakdown on Thursday night. So as you can see, there's bits and pieces of the car everywhere. I've removed timing cover, etc., and had a look what's going on. I've had an independent mechanic as well come review the situation, and this is what we have surmised. So I fished the belt out. The belt hadn't actually completely snapped. It'd come it stretched essentially and popped off. So what we've done is we've taken off the timing cover. You may notice the engine mount's been removed here. We've got something underneath the engine to support it while the car's left here. We're very lucky that it didn't hit the cam belt, so that's all well and good. Now we've tested all of the tensioners, etc., and they're absolutely fine. It seems that the belt had never been replaced, looking at the job number, and it was extremely worn, so that's what's gone. So ideally what I would do is replace the tensioner, but at the moment we don't have time to get the part before I'm due to leave on my 4,000 mile road trip. So now my Volvo specialist assured me that the tensioners are going to last absolutely fine. So in fact, he said he'd fix it for free if it didn't. Yeah, that's where we're at. But I just thought I'd bring attention to this whole issue, because as I've looked into it, it's quite a common one actually on these Volvos now, and that is that these auxiliary belts do go. Originally Volvo said that you had to change them every 54,000 miles. A lot of people don't know that, and a lot of garages don't service it, or Volvo dealerships don't tend to recommend it, just because they forget about it as well. Now, a good specialist will remind you of this, and every time you have your cam belt done, they should replace the tensioner, which is only about 60 quid, but it can save you from a full catastrophic engine failure. So yeah, I guess this is the vital bit of maintenance that most Volvo garages forget, that could come back and bite you in the bum a bit. So fortunately it's happened to me, so I can show you guys. But yeah, so you want to be replacing these auxiliary belts every 54,000 miles. The belts themselves are about 15 quid, or if you want to go genuine Volvo, you can get, I think you pay about 40 quid. The belt I've got is a Continental one. I'm picking up tomorrow. It is literally the same spec. It's got all the Kevlar reinforcement as well, but it was, yeah, half the price. So worth it in my opinion, and I could get it in time, whereas the other ones I couldn't get in time for the trip. So yeah, the next video I'll be showing you guys how I got to this stage, and then after that we'll be fitting the belt, and then we'll be off on our trip, which you all guys will join me on. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've had this done on your car. If not, I would definitely recommend doing it, because it's not fun, especially if it can take this out. Your cam belt here, that would not be good. So yeah, what it has done is given me the ideal opportunity to check the cam belt. I obviously didn't get any service history. It was sold with no service history, but I then found the load in the car, and it said that the cam belt had been done in 2016 at 70,000 miles. And I then found another receipt for the next owner who'd done it 80,000 miles. So yeah, this has only got 20,000 miles on it, this belt, as you can see. There's barely any wear at all. It's not shiny, apart from where there's a bit of water on it at the moment. But yeah, I'm absolutely happy with that. So I will join you guys in the next video, where we will be hopefully, well, showing you how to do it, and then we'll soon be back on the road for our sweet I nearly revealed where we're going then, for our series in Europe.